Good morning. Hi you guys. Happy Monday. It's Monday. I'm in a great mood this Monday. Your girl woke up at 5:30 a.m. I was at the gym at 7. I made me a good, well-balanced breakfast. I just made me a matcha to go. Strawberry jam, lavender. Okay, so I had some leftover strawberry jam, like a little bit left, so I decided to add my matcha and some lavender honey inside and made me a to-go matcha. Listen, I'm learning how to work the camera. I'm learning. We getting there. I'm about to go to the city and meet up with my girl Tip. We're going to the SKIMS store and we are going to try some matcha in the city because I need to see what my competition is in New York. And yeah, don't mind my house. My house cleaner is coming tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me as I go to the city today. I'm just feeling good, looking good, feeling better.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that job. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna electric. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy.
Know how to suck some things up. I'm not too crazy about this.
No, I'm not either. I actually like the sweater more.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the sweater.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chop. Yeah. I pop out, get ghosts on the bitch, you don't know where I went. Went for all my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in and out, spilling in the new designer gear by coaster. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murk, some call them smokers. Young nigga have emotion, you don't make sure the car gets. Hit a 360, windmill when I left the seat. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jewelry, make a business sex. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chop. Yeah.
Sexy, count, fitty, don't get, work kitty, red diamond, spaghetti, text paper, I shred it, I swing it, no sweating, I saw you, begging, God damn you pretty, I ain't done spinning, no pen pinch, I spin it, bags in that, my man ain't gon' steal it, but bags for young hoes.
Alright, with those it's gonna be $567.25.
After some much needed retail therapy, we were starving, so we did not go get matcha. It's okay, I'm gonna go to a couple matcha locations next week. But we decided to go around the corner to Fogo de Chão, and that is the correct way to pronounce Fogo de Chão. We've been saying Fogo de Chão, and that is not the correct way. It is called Fogo de Chão. So guess what? You learned something new today. I learned something new today because when I was doing my research, I came across that it's not called Fogo de Chão.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me? Feel us. West Coast, feel me? Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me? West Coast, feel me? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me? Say what? West
to make a matcha. It's early in the morning, it's like 11 a.m. I haven't had a matcha in like 2 days. So I'm actually craving this matcha, and I'm going to make a guava matcha. So I got this guava spread from Trader Joe's. So we're gonna use this as the base for our matcha this morning. I heard from a couple employees at Trader Joe's that this guava spread is really, really good. They said it's really good on pastries. So I'm pretty sure it's good on a matcha. So make a guava matcha with me. We have our guava matcha. I'm gonna give it another stir. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, this is good. This is real good. And it's not that sweet. I don't like my matcha to be overly sweet. I know a lot of you guys like sweet drinks. I like a hint of sugar. So this is really good. It's refreshing. Oh, this is good. Cheers. I'm about to finish this whole drink on camera. All right, you guys, I'm gonna just do a quick video because I am running extremely late. I'm on my way to the city. I have an event to go to at Tao. I think it's Tao downtown. I'm not too sure. I have to check when I get in the car. But your girl got this nice red suit on. So I bought this suit a couple months ago, and this is quick story time. I got it from Express. I will try to link it in the description because I think I'm gonna buy it in every color. Like, I know they have it in black, and I think every person needs to have a black suit. Anyway, when I purchased this, I was a little bit bigger than I am now because, you know, your girl's running, your girl's working out. I have gotten this suit taken in like twice already, and I still think I got to do it one more time. And now the price that I'm paying to alter the suit, to make like the alterations, it's costing me more than the suit, okay? But I gotta go. I'm gonna try to film there. I'm not too sure if it's gonna be an environment where I can film or not, but if I can, I'll definitely shoot some content. If not, I will tell you all about it when I get back home. Peace. As I was about to head out, guess what's here? Hold on one second. I need to get my box cutter. All right. Your girl is back. I'm on my way to an event at Tao, so I have to hurry up. But Millionaire Matcha was delivered today after weeks, you guys. Weeks being stuck in customs. I can't believe, like I was so scared. I couldn't believe that my package was stuck in customs this long. But I'm doing my unboxing with you. So this is my first large shipment for Millionaire Matcha. I'm so excited. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm everything. It's a new product and I hope you guys love my matcha. All right, so these are the tins that they're coming in. Is the matcha inside here? Yes, it is. Look at this. Okay, so this is how your matcha will be delivered to you when you order. It will be in this nice white container, and then your matcha will be in this little baggie here, and you will dump this bag in here. Keep your matcha at cool temperature. No, put it in the fridge if you want it to last longer. But I'm excited. I have so many matchas here, y'all. Like, okay, enough is enough. I have to head out, but I'm so glad that my shipment is here. I wasn't able to do pre-orders because I wasn't sure if the package was coming. Every time I called FedEx, they were just like, oh, it's in customs, they're reviewing it. And I'm like, it takes y'all 3 weeks? Like, I've been waiting on the shipment for 3 weeks, you guys, 3 weeks. But I gotta go, your girl gotta go. I'm late to my event, but Millionaire Matcha. Like, I'm literally like a block away right now. I'm so happy. I'm about to see my boo Tip. Like, I just seen her 2 days ago. 2-3 days ago, and now I'm seeing her again. Luckily, she posted on Instagram that she was down here. And I was like, girl, I'm at Tao. And she's like, I'm at Say Less. And I was like, say less, I'm coming here. So I ended the night with some much needed girl talk with my girl. I just been feeling really overwhelmed lately, a little stressed out. My brain has not had a second to just pause and think. I've been shooting content, I've been planning catering menus, I've been working, I've been getting ready for this launch of my new business, Millionaire Matcha. And I feel very overwhelmed. And I am just having a conversation with Tip, just like letting her know, like, you know, I have these goals, I have these aspirations, and like, I'm not stopping until I get where I want to be in life. Like, I know where I'm going, and I'm not stopping until I'm there. While doing all this, I also want to maintain a social life, which is challenging, but I really do believe that the people that you keep around you will either motivate you or hold you back. So I definitely have a really tight circle now. And I think we're all on the same page and we all share the same goals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, like, comment, and subscribe. I really don't know what I'm doing with this channel yet, but I think I have the idea of just vlogging my experience as a private chef, a business owner of a matcha brand, and then just like my personal life to an extent. I'm not going to show everything. Welcome to Kitchen Diaries, Life Between Recipes.